Hello everyone, and let's talk about what's the difference between the words Dither and Flounder. And these words refer to being unable to think clearly because of your tiresome, nervous, anxious, excited, or maybe worried about something, and the decision has to be made, but you can't do it. And these words can be both a noun and a verb, but the Flounder's version of a noun mean a flat fish. But we're not gonna talk about flat fish today. We're gonna talk about why you can make a decision or the decision. And let's start with Dither. Dither means that you are already in some kind of process of doing something. And that's the key difference here. Because, for example, you started a project and you have been working on it, and now you stumbled upon, like, for example, very difficult task and you can't solve it, and you're dithered now because you can find the solution or our solution to this problem. And let's switch to Flounder. Flounder means that you're worried, excited, anxious, or maybe frustrated uh, before you're getting started something. For example, you've got a bad news, and you know that tomorrow you need to learn, for example, how to fly a chopper, and now you know that that you need to collect some of your things, and you're unable to think clearly from what to start, and because of these bad news, and you can say that you're floundered, and that's pretty all the difference between these words. Now we have a clear explanation by me, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.